I want to go in there. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Today is going to be an awesome day. We are doing the Moto Q in Edmonton, which is essentially a 10-level parkade car show event, cars and coffee. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it runs 6 p.m. to midnight today. So we're going to take the C8, the Supra, and the CRX that we've been storing at the 24/7 Exotics headquarters for the last couple weeks. So we could do this event for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. We're gonna fire these things up on a cold start, get them outside, make our way to the hotel, and start getting this show going. All right, Jamie, give me a cold start, bro.
Trade right now.
I want to go in there. Look how fine this lineup's looking. Oh, sheesh. Sheesh. All right, so we're gonna eat. We've got some Swiss Chalet, and
we have hoodies in the cars.
Why, you cold?
I'm gonna get cold.
Did your mom never tell you to dress for the weather, Jamie? Dressed for the weather in his own brand, Status Clothing.
Check this out.
That's his own brand. But he's dressed for the weather. Dressed for the weather.
These are $100.
Not only is he dressed for the weather, that beard says, "I'm here to party." So Max, I don't really know what happened here today, but apparently when I order Swiss Chalet, I order a lot of it. And
$200 of food.
It was $200. So I shouldn't be surprised I got a lot, but can you help us eat it?
I guess so.
All right,
that's a hard task, but I'll do it.
My boy. So to add to today's vlog, we have pouring rain. Somewhere over there where we're going is downtown. Nobody really knows. This guy looks and smells fantastic.
Thank you.
Jamie, always look and smell fantastic. Let's go through some pouring rain, boys. So the cars are over there. Oh boy.
See you later.
Yeah, race you down there. Come on, Max, let's go. Is he here? Oh, we beat him. There he is. He's not impressed. Not impressed.
That was the slowest elevator.
I'm gonna be out of breath when we get there. Jamie, your phone. Jamie, your phone. What a great day for a show. guys don't shut up. So here I am.
You were supposed to be here 2 hours ago.
Yeah, I know. I don't have an excuse. The Onyx is here. What is up?